Here's some Scottish Highlands trivia. Subscribe. What is the primary language spoken in the Highlands? Is it A. Irish, B. English, C. Scottish Gaelic, or D. Welsh? The correct answer is C. Scottish Gaelic. Which clan claims to be the oldest in Scotland? Is it A. Clan MacDonald, B. Clan Fraser, C. Clan Campbell, or D. Clan Gordon? The correct answer is C. Clan Campbell. What river flows through the heart of Inverness? Is it A. River Ness, B. River Mersey, C. River Clyde, or D. River Thames? The correct answer is A. River Ness. What is the primary traditional dish of the Highlands? Is it A. Cullen skink, B. neeps and tatties, C. fish and chips, or D. haggis? The correct answer is D. haggis. Which mountain range is located in the Scottish Highlands? Is it A. Rockies, B. Pennines, C. Grampian Mountains, or D. Cairngorms? The correct answer is C. Grampian Mountains. What historical fortress overlooks the city of Inverness? Is it A. Inverness Castle, B. Edinburgh Castle, C. Stirling Castle, or D. Urquhart Castle? The correct answer is A. Inverness Castle. What is the name of the famous battle fought in 1746? Is it A. Battle of Waterloo, B. Battle of Hastings, C. Battle of Culloden, or D. Battle of Gettysburg? The correct answer is C. Battle of Culloden. Which bridge connects the Isle of Skye to the mainland? Is it A. Golden Gate Bridge, B. Forth Bridge, C. Skye Bridge, or D. Glenfinnan Viaduct? The correct answer is C. Skye Bridge. What is the name of the ski resort in the Cairngorms? Is it A. Aviemore Lodge, B. Glenshee Resort, C. Cairngorm Mountain, or D. Nevis Range? The correct answer is C. Cairngorm Mountain. Which canal connects the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean? Is it A. Panama Canal, B. Suez Canal, C. Erie Canal, or D. Caledonian Canal? The correct answer is D. Caledonian Canal. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.